Today I'm going to be showing you guys 2 different hairstyling ideas for use with your pony-o. These are really easy looks. You don't have to curl your hair for them, and they have braided elements, which is so modern right now and so freaking cute. If that sounds good, then stick around for more. Idea number 1 is going to involve a Dutch braid. I absolutely love how Dutch braids look, and it's actually a lot easier to execute than a lot of people think. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to start by parting your hair really deeply to the side. The way to get a Dutch braid to look really chunky and really wide and professional is to make sure that you have enough hair in it so that you can fan it out and spread it out. If you have fine hair like mine, it's quite difficult to get that really open, big Dutch braid because we just don't have enough hair. So we can use a little hack, and that's just to part our hair way over to the side so that more of the hair is in the actual braided element. The nice thing about parting this far over as well is because you get kind of that like braided crown look, which is really cute as well. Now what I like to do is I like to subsection my hair so that I don't get lost when I'm working on it. So I want all of this to be braided. So I'm just gonna bring my finger and part it over. And then all of this section that's not gonna be braided, I'm going to just clip it away. I'm gonna start by slicing a section. It's about this big. You're gonna take that section, you're gonna split it into 3 sections, 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to go under the middle, under the middle. Now, once you get to the under the middle part, you're going to grab that hair and you're gonna go underneath. You grab that section under the middle. You're gonna start tight and then you're going to expand out later. Grab a little section under the middle. Grab more hair, slide it into that section. You're gonna go under the middle. You're gonna repeat this all the way down your head. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna continue that braid all the way to the end. Now, this looks so bad until it looks so good. And the key to make this not look bad is to expand your braid. So right now you look like a little kid. I'm 34, like ain't nobody want that. So you're gonna start from the top and you're going to pull out the braid so that you end up expanding the size of it and giving yourself a ton of volume and a much more modern look. The thicker your hair, the easier this will be. The thinner your hair, the harder it will be. I have such fine hair that I really have to work hard on this element so that it doesn't look little girl and it gives me enough volume and shape. But if you have really thick hair, it's gonna be much easier for you to achieve this with less finessing and less work. Then what you're gonna do is you are going to finish that off with an elastic. You can use a clear elastic if you're blonde, and I like to use a black elastic as a brunette because the clear one actually does show up on brown hair. I like to do a mid to low ponytail with this look, and then we'll just go ahead and put our pony-o in. Now, if there are any weird parts like this that are sticking up, you can just grab a bobby pin and you can just fix it really quickly. And just like that, you end up with a really easy and quick ponytail look that looks super fancy, but isn't hard to achieve at all. All right, look number 2 is just as easy and just as cute. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna split your hair so that all of that top section of the hair can be worked with. And then you're gonna grab the bottom section of your hair and put it away so you don't get confused. When it comes to doing braided work, you always wanna make sure that the hair you're not braiding is tucked away just so that you're not getting confused. You can really lose your subsections really quickly when you're doing braids. Now I want to work with all of this, and I also want to braid this, but in order to get a little bit more fullness and not have my braid crush the fullness here at the front, I'm going to just grab this first little section. I'm going to lightly back comb once, back comb twice, brush so that I have a little bit of puffiness, and I'm going to bobby pin that in a crisscross. Then you're gonna grab that section, that side section, you're gonna grab this side section right here, and then you're gonna grab that middle section that we pinned, and that makes up our 3 braided sections. Over the middle, go over the middle. Once you get here, you're going to scoop another piece to bring it over the middle. You're at the side again. Gonna scoop more hair to bring it over the middle. You're here, so you're gonna grab that hair, bring it over the middle. Get that side again, grab a little hair, bring it over the middle. And then you're gonna stop. Now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna grab again, and you're gonna pull and expand. And you're just gonna take another rubber elastic and just grab the end of that guy. Now in this situation, I'm gonna take my pony O and I'm gonna do a mid ponytail. So we have low, mid, and high ponies. I don't wanna go right high because then I'm gonna lose all of the braid that we just did. So we're gonna go right in the middle of the head. For this one, I'm gonna use my patterned pony O in the leopard print. Now because the pony O is in and it's a little bit tight, we are just gonna expand that braid a little bit more. And I'm also gonna take the end of that braid, I'm gonna take that elastic out. And there you go, 2 super cute and easy styles that you can do using your pony O. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more hair videos, then click on these ones next. I'll see you next week. Bye.